Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because it is collaboration with another mom here on YouTube. Her name is Danielle. She has a channel, LifewithDanie, and you guys need to check out her channel. She is super sweet. She's a stay-home mom of 2 kids, same like me, and her channel is actually very similar to my channel. She makes lifestyle hauls, school lunches, DIYs, and a lot of other content on her channel. So you have to check it out. I will link her channel in the description box down below, and I really hope you check it out. If you're coming from Danny's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time to check out this video, and I hope you take a look at my other videos and consider subscribing. In today's video, we're doing a DIY Christmas themed centerpiece. With all that said, let's jump right into the video. When I was planning this project, I had in mind what I wanted to achieve, and when I saw this little slate, I knew exactly that's what I need. The perfect thing about this slate is that it had that twine all the way around it, so I was able to tuck in my pieces of garland and I didn't have to glue it on.
I put on winter clothes and go out for a walk in the biting Jack Frost night. One star shining on a darkened sky with beams of Christmas light. Now I just stop and stare. Can this be seen everywhere tonight? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time again. It's my
After adding all the greenery that I wanted, I started adding a few ornaments as well as scented pine cones. And at the end, I added a candle. At this point, I thought I was done, but while I was watching this video, I realized I needed to add something extra.
What do you know? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time.
So I decided to add a few more little details that's gonna give an extra touch. And now I was so happy with the way it looked.
Falling snow in the cold December night.
I really think it looks gorgeous on our table. It adds an extra touch to our Christmas decor. And as you saw, it was very simple to make.
I could use some rest to really be at my best.
And this is how it looks at night with the candlelight on.
It's Christmas time again. It's my favorite time of the whole long year. I love the turkey and the mistletoe. Nobody's got no.
I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out Danny's channel. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You know, it's Christmas time. I put